Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. In March, the Washington State Legislature gave a $400,000 boost to sustainable and organic farming with funding of a key program at Washington State University. The funding will support the nation's first organic major, as well as a new initiative to develop effective methods to produce food with biological and organic methods. The demand for organics has grown at 20% per year for the past decade and is expected to continue doing so. For growers to take advantage of these new markets, however, the Biological and Organic Program will conduct research and outreach to assist growers. Maryon Attwood, director of the Washington Sustainable Food and Farming Network, spent 4 years to obtain the funding. She explains what this means for growers and consumers like you and me.
Biologically intensive agriculture actually refers to farming practices and systems that rely on biological processes that are renewable, non-polluting, and beneficial to both farmers and the consumers. People finally I think growers finally understood that these things included them and could offer them some cost-saving measures because, as we all know, price of fuel has gone up, price of fertilizer has gone up, and so trying to create other new tools for their producer toolbox, it feels really important to keep them all in business.
What kind of feedback have you had from other states?
Well, I think everyone just is so excited that we were able to, open the door to this kind of a program here in Washington.
With special thanks to Maryon Attwood, I'm Marion Owen.